Instagram ad payment method not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. So for that matter, just go to the Play Store application and search for Instagram on the Play Store. And as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram and then tap on app info. After tapping on app info, all I have to do is just tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, clear cache, and if it's possible, you can clear all data as well. Then tap on app permissions and make sure that you have enabled all the required options for the application to run perfectly. After that, go back and then tap on the power button and restart the device and your problem will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.